Okay, now let us discuss another important experiment where we are going to determine the frequency of an AC. Now here we are using a system of electromagnet which vibrates on the when a AC current passes through it. Now when you switch on the circuit, you will see that there is a small, very little vibration. Now you have to adjust the length of this bridges and adjust it for the primary resonance. As you can see here, the sound is the maximum. Let's hear the sound. If you move it from this point, the sound is completely gone. That means the resonance is disturbed. So you have to adjust the bridges and find the exact point where this maximum vibration happens. You can use a piece of paper, and at the point of resonance the piece of paper will fall. Now next step is you have to take 5 different results, because it again it's a graph based experiment, so you have to take 5 different record. For that you have to, initially we are using 500 gram, now you have to change it to another 500 gram, that is 1 kg, next 1.5 kg, then 2 kgs, and lastly you have to add another last 500 gram to get 2.5 kg. So once you get all the 2.5 kg, the resonance frequency will, the resonance length will change, and based on that resonance length you have to plot a graph of L square versus T. Gravitational constant G will be given, the mass per unit length of the wire will be given, and then you have to calculate the frequency. Normally the frequency of an AC is about 50 Hz. You should get the exact 50 Hz if you do the experiment perfectly.